Hi guys, I'm in Minneapolis and we are just completing pretty much a full house remodel here. So this laundry room used to be their primary bath here, and the entrance was that purple wall back there, came in from the bedroom. We opened up this doorway here to allow access to the laundry room from the hallway. And in the primary bedroom here, we added a vanity, custom cabinets, dual sink, custom shower, wet space area. This is all brand new. Over there is where the doorway was to the master, or the primary bath prior to where it is the laundry room now. And then we added this bathroom to give them another bathroom up here, custom shower, custom vanity again. This project we did a lot of framing and added some steel beams for support. We rearranged the plumbing, the HVAC. And then into the kitchen here, we reconfigured all of the plumbing and HVAC up into these soffits around here. We raised the ceiling up, added some beams for support, custom hood, full height cabinets, custom crown, under cabinet lighting, beautiful backsplash and countertops. Really cool feature back here, some skylights here. This is a pantry wall. We leveled the floor and we gave them a little entertainment area here. So I did bring a couple before pictures to show you. In this we have a walnut island to match the hood up there. And here is one of the walls that we removed. If you're looking right here, it would have been a wall, that wall with the refrigerator on it. And then that picture right there is prior to us taking out the wall, and that's this area. So the sink was there. So the plumbing ran all the way up in the ceiling here, and we moved it into the soffits to give it more open space. Hi guys, I'm outside the home. I just showed you the inside of here in Minneapolis, and we did 4 roof penetrations here to move that plumbing and HVAC. So we did 2 bath fans, a plumbing stack, and a dryer vent up on the peaks there.